Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated Valentine's Day floral gift boxes ideas to make your day more special and unique by adding beautiful decorative floral arrangements to your gift ideas. By creating these sort of ideas yourself, you can easily customize these items. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and enjoy creating them. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated Valentine's Day floral gift boxes, ideas or arrangements, combining with some customizations according to your own choice and likings. You can create beautifully decorated chocolate gift ideas combined with these floral arrangements, or you can also use different champagne bottles to gift to your loved ones by creating these sort of beautifully decorative floral arrangements. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these beautifully decorated ideas by using your favorite flowers or the person you want to gift these ideas. You can choose some flower arrangements according to that person's choice by creating or adding different beautiful colorful flower decoration ideas to create these floral gift boxes to your loved ones on this Valentine's Day. You can also create different beautifully decorated ideas that people will love to create these sort of arrangements to make a beautiful chocolate gift decoration ideas, or different stuffed toys can also be used as a gift with these floral arrangements. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. So viewers, keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.